Hi everybody! Today we're going to learn how to put together a side salad that will go along with our healthy and balanced meal. Two things that I want you to take away from this lesson is going to be number one, proper knife skills. We need to know how to protect ourselves from injury while we cut these vegetables. And number two is going to be how we can use lime juice instead of dressing, and that way we can lower calories and add nutritional value to your meal. So at the end of the video, you will learn how to be able to put together this wonderful side salad that's going to be packed with vitamins and minerals. Thank you.